Hi Tori, this is Spencer from Mercedes of Scarborough. In front of me is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 you inquired about. AMG line, night package, brand new, 11 miles on the odometer. Wanted to put together a quick video tour. Love this black exterior with the AMG line. A sporty front end. Night package gives us the all black trim. It's like a chrome delete on the car, so we've got the diamond studded grille, LED headlights, sport package bumpers. One of my other favorite features about that AMG line are these painted fenders. So beautiful finish. 21-inch multi-spoke wheels, black accents on the wheels, also a part of that night package. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. Illuminated running boards down on the bottom, turn indicators on our door mirrors. We also have that blind spot assist in the door mirror as well. Black along the window frames. We've got satin black roof rails up top. It's a gorgeous car. I love the flared wheel arches in the back. We'll take a look going around the back of the car. Those 21-inch wheels sit so nicely on this GLE. There's the back end. We've got wraparound LED taillights. Absolutely spectacular. Mercedes did a fabulous job designing this vehicle. GLE 350, 4MATIC badging, optional roof spoiler. I think a nice addition with the AMG line. I think it gives it a really sporty look. AMG line also getting us those rear fender flares. This is a trailer hitch equipped vehicle. Nice option to have. Chrome load sill guard there in the back. It's a beautiful vehicle. Want to take just a quick look at the interior. Open up the back for you here. The back seats. Black natural grain wood, Burmeister surround sound, ambient lighting. There's our back seat. This is our center pass-through. You can fold down each seat, or you can fold down just that center. There's our back seats. Tons of legroom. Panoramic roof up top. It's a beautiful car. Driver and passenger seat here. Let's see. Heated seats, ventilated seats. Burmeister surround sound. Love the dashboard. Two 12-inch displays, phone, navigation, radio. 11 miles on the odometer. Beautiful car. There's the inside. Wanted to put together just a quick video tour. If you have any questions, my cell phone number is 207-210-4796. I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed.